Hello, this is Drew Taylor coming at you from Montgomery County, Pennsylvania on March 20th, 2020. I am, like many of you, working from home today. And as you see, I can put a collared shirt on for this video. You're welcome for that. I think like many of you too, the dress code at the home office is a little different than the regular office, but I'm making a video, so I thought I'd put on a nice shirt for you. And maybe when you're watching this, you can join me in drinking a quarantini, which I understand is the official drink of the quarantine. So anyway, my contact information is in the description of this video. If you have any questions about family law issues as we move through this global pandemic, you can reach out to me by email or by phone. All of our attorneys at Shemtob Dragonowski Taylor are working virtually from home. So today's topic is child custody issues in the coronavirus era, right? What is going on? About a week ago, I wrote a blog about what you do when one parent wants to take the kids to an activity, like karate, say, and the other parent was a little concerned about the, children contracting coronavirus at such a public activity. That's no longer an issue because everything is shut down now, right? So you don't have to really worry about that. But there's some new concerns that have popped up. If you watched the news at all yesterday, you saw that Governor Wolf shut down all non-sustaining, life-sustaining businesses in Pennsylvania. So what that means is starting today on March 20th, almost everyone's going to be at home, either working from home or not working at all. So what does that mean for custody? A lot of custody orders have pick-up and drop-off times for children either before or after school. There's no school, there's no work, so what do you do, right? If your order is silent on that, what in the world are you supposed to do? Well, here's the answer. Try to figure it out with your ex. And I know that's easy for me to say, hard for you to do, I get it. But in a time like this, when the courts are closed, we can't be marching in a petition to a judge and say, make this decision for us. You've got to kind of figure it out for yourselves. And we as your attorneys are certainly here to help you do that and work with the other attorney, but it's going to take compromise on everyone's part to get through this. Your children are undoubtedly anxious about what's going on, like many people are, and parents fighting about all kinds of issues in the midst of this coronavirus outbreak is not healthy for the kids, so you really have to try to reach a compromise with the other parent the best you can, more so now than ever. If you can't, I'm also advising clients to consider mediation. There's a lot of mediators out there right now that are conducting mediations by telephone or video conference. If you don't know, mediation is where a third party, usually an attorney, will talk to the parties, figure out what their dispute is, and try to work out a resolution between the two of them, an agreement, right? So it kind of nudges you both toward reaching some kind of agreement, and that's what you use then moving forward. Again, with limited options going to court right now, only in a true emergency, you got to kind of think outside the box. So that's one thing to do. But again, as this goes forward, it's going to require flexibility on both parents' part. I know there's been a lot of rumors about an order coming down from the Wolf administration to shelter in place or stay at home. I'm not going to really guess about that right now. If that happens, we'll certainly do another blog or a video. But for now, everyone is free to move about the best they can. Obviously, a lot of businesses are closed down. So, as these issues come up, as you don't know when to exchange custody, or if one parent is at home working and the other parent is still an essential worker, so they are working, you're going to have to deviate from your custody order a little bit. And it's okay to do that, but use your attorney. If we are going to deviate, it would be good to have everything in writing. It would be good to communicate with the other side so everybody is on the same page, But there's certainly ways that we can do that, and we have been handling these. Again, Montgomery County was the first to be really hit with this coronavirus outbreak. Our courts were the first to close, so we've been dealing with this now for over a week, and we're going to continue to do so. So again, any questions, you can call me or email me. My information is in the description of this video. Stay healthy, everyone.